And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
This is Sea Lion leader Lucas Katz with this week's announcements. Enjoy the Memorial Day holiday. Remember, there's no school on Monday. Apple Valley Days are back. Our 4th graders are going back in time starting on Tuesday. Raw awards are wrapping up. All grades will have their final raw popsicles on Tuesday afternoon. Let's get 160 Robux to qualify. Popsicle with Pops are happening outside on the blacktop on Tuesday. The first International Culture Club Day begins on Wednesday. Enjoy the beginning of your trip around the world. Apple Valley Days continue on Wednesday. Have fun with the activities on the field. 5th grade has their first promotion practice on the field on Thursday at 8:15. 5th grade is off to the beach on Thursday at 10 o'clock. Have fun in the sun. Kindergarten is having their raw movie with the principals on Thursday at 12:30. We're watching Bluey. The World Tour continues on Friday with ICC. Grades 1 through 5 are having their raw movie with the principals on Friday at 1:30. Enjoy the show. That's it, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
Hi, I'm Molly Gregory.
And I'm Bryce Vilchak.
We're 2 of the team leads for Anchored for Life.
We're here to invite you to join Anchored for Life for next year.
Anchored for Life is McGaw's peer-to-peer support program.
Our goal is to help build student leaders that are resilient and have good character.
We're looking to add 3 leaders to apply.
If you're interested, please apply by May 31st.
I got a rabbit! Kindergarten.
Our first Rawbuck winner comes from Miss Tochioka's UTK class. Congratulations to Harvey Zilonka. She says that Harvey was reading quietly after finishing his work. He did exactly what he was supposed to do. Great job, Harvey.
1st grade.
Mrs. Monteleone wants to shout out 1st grader Josiah Pack. She said that Josiah has been working so hard on our Magic Treehouse books and is growing as a reader. We appreciate your hard work, Josiah.
2nd grade.
Mrs. Lee and Mr. Larson want to shout out 2nd grader Riley Henning. Riley did an awesome job, and we both want to say, way to go. You made a fantastic lunch guide book to help students with their lunchtime manners. We're going to use this next year to help our students learn how to be kind and courteous at the tables.
3rd grade.
Mrs. Jenks, our librarian, wants to shout out 3rd grader Naz Haney. She said that Naz was kind enough to return a library book early so another student could enjoy it. What a thoughtful person you are, Naz. Thanks so much.
4th grade.
Miss Anya, our art teacher, would like to shout out 4th grader Martin Moylan. She says, thanks, Martin, for being flexible.
5th grade.
Miss Olveda wants to shout out 5th grader Bailey Frank. She says that Bailey helps stack trays at lunch, making sure that our lunch tables are clean and ready to go is super important. Thanks, Bailey.
Thanks for watching, Sea Lions.
And I'll see you next week.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.